Hello and welcome to Souter Lighthouse in South Tyneside. It is a National Trust property, and on a day like today where you've got lovely sunshine, it's a great place to take some photos. Okay, first shot, you can't resist the classic shot of Souter Lighthouse, the walkway down with obvious leading lines drawing towards the lighthouse with lovely sunlit. The only thing that would cap it off would be if we had a really dark stormy sky or a rainbow behind it, but you can't have everything. So this one, just make sure you get the kind of with level, you get the left and the right hand wall coming in from the bottom right, bottom left hand of the corner, and the lighthouse slap bang back in the middle. Focus on the lighthouse, F11, and image number 1 in the bag. So Souter Lighthouse is located in Marsden in South Shields, Tyne and Wear. It was actually the first lighthouse in the world to be designed and built specifically to use electric current, and at the time it was the most advanced lighthouse of its technology. It was first lit in the 1870s. It was described as one of the most powerful lights in the world. The lighthouse was needed because in 1 year alone, in 1860, there were 20 shipwrecks just off the coast there on these notorious reefs. Okay, shot number 2. Straightforward image of the side of the lighthouse, lovely backlit. Somebody's obviously flying a drone around and having lots of fun. Again, not a lot to this shot. Maybe have the leading line of that path coming in from the left and the tree, and then with the lighthouse on the right hand side. Some nice clouds appearing up there as well, just to top it off. You see over there, there's the great big foghorn at the end of the lighthouse. And we have the lovely and warm northeast coast, and it's blowing a gale as usual. Okay, so there's composition here with the lovely green gate in the foreground and the lighthouse in the background, to this portrait shot focusing on the lighthouse. Nice again, vibrant colours. Quick snap here, just focusing on the picnic bench in the bottom left. Just a different angle of the same shot. I think you could pick any angle and still get a nice image. know, sometimes you might not have the best weather, the best day, but it just does you wonders mentally, physically, just to get out of the house, even in the rain, the cold, the wind. Like I said, it doesn't really matter whether you get any good photographs or not. I mean, how can it, in a place like this, how can it not make you feel good? So it's about this point where I noticed the cloud was getting rather grim and I got an absolute soaking. But luckily, not before I managed to get a nice picture. And right on cue comes the rain. The things us landscape photographers do to get a picture, I am absolutely soaking. Sun has finally come back out after the rain, and it's got a nice little angle here. It doesn't quite fit on the video, but you've got the foghorn at the end there going up to the lighthouse, side lit from the left. I'll just take you back to my composition there, focusing on the lighthouse, f8 100 ISO. True adventure style, I haven't put enough money on the car park, so just as the light's starting to get nice, I have to make my way back. So unless I magically find a free car park, I'll head back for tea. And that's all from Souter Lighthouse. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll join you next time. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up or even subscribe if you're a sucker for punishment. Till next time, bye.